Hi, good evening. Dr. T here. So glad you're joining me today. We're going to talk about 3 tips on how to do your eyes to look white and bright this Valentine's Day for a date night. So hubby and I are going to be going out to dinner, and I have my friend here, Michaela. She's a makeup expert. She's going to make me look great for dinner tonight. And I want to talk to you about 3 tips how we can make our eyes look great without putting toxic ingredients on them. So 3 products I'm going to use today, all from Beautycounter. The first is the Starlight Eyeshadow Palette, and we're going to use a couple colors. Michaela will tell you exactly what color she's putting on me later. I think we're doing the pink and the blue, the navy, but she'll let you know. And then an eyeliner pencil, also from Beautycounter, really important to keep it above the lashes and below the lashes, never on the waterline. That's where your meibomian glands live, and you need those to make healthy tears. The last thing we're going to use is my favorite. If you've watched any of my videos, you know how much I love the volumizing mascara from Beautycounter. And just to make the point that you don't need glued on lashes to make your eyes look big and bold and beautiful. So we're going to get started here. The first thing Michaela is going to do with my eyes is apply a primer before the eyeshadow so that it sticks and doesn't fall into my eyes during my date. All right.
Okay, you ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
I'm going to shuffle that.
Okay. So we're going to start with that primer. Just a little bit on each eyelid. Then we're going to go in with a flat concealer brush just to blend that out. By using a brush like this and just a little bit of product, you make it go a lot further.
Do you have a plan for the chicken fingers? Pam, do you have a plan for the chicken fingers?
Okay.
All right, so that primer is on. It's going to help my eyeshadow stick. I don't know if any of other of you feel like throughout the day your eyeshadow falls off into your eye and it irritates. So this really helps me to keep my shadow in place. Otherwise, it feels irritated. Again, with Beautycounter, they eliminate 1,500 ingredients from their ingredient list, and so everything is dry eye safe and compliant. So we're gonna do the liner before the eyeshadow.
Just because we're gonna smoke it out a little bit. Just right along the lash line. And because we are gonna smoke it out a bit, we're going in just a little heavier. And we're not gonna drag it out too far. We don't want a big old wing.
I tend to be more of a minimalist with my daily makeup, so I'm going to feel very glamorous in a minute now.
Okay. Then we're just going to go in with a stiff brush and smoke that out a little bit. And that'll give us some nice definition around the eye without looking too heavy. Okay. And next, we're going to go in with Aurora all over the eye.
And this is the Starlight palette from Beautycounter. There'll be a link to it in the blog, www.pamterio.com/blog/47. If you want to see the blog and see the exact products we're using, you can just check out the website, and there'll be links to each of these products there.
So we're just taking that all over the eye. That pink looks great on you. And we're just going to take that right up to the crease. Okay, and then we're going to take Eclipse and just smoke out the outer corner. I'm going to drag that into the crease a little bit. And don't feel like you need to rush. Definitely take your time blending.
Don't worry about the reservations tonight. Just take your time. Make sure it looks good.
Okay, and then just to make the eyes pop a little bit, we're going to take Constellation. It's a really shimmery shade, just in the very center of the lid. And with these shimmer shades, definitely want to use your fingers. That's how you get the most payoff. Okay.
And again, I'm not going to worry about this eyeshadow falling into my eyes while we're having our date because the primer is going to help it to stick.
Okay, now just for a little bit more definition, we're going to take Satellite and we're going to go under the eye. This just helps widen them a little bit. Staying away from that waterline. We're just using a small fluffy brush. And we want to focus that again more towards the outer corner. That's where we're putting all of our emphasis today. Okay, and then just to highlight the brow bone, we're going to take another small fluffy brush and use Lunar. And this just helps lift the eyebrow.
We got to use all 5 colors of my palette, the Starlight palette from Beautycounter.
And still a super quick look.
We're under 5 minutes still.
Yeah.
Great. One product left. You guys all know I love this volumizing mascara. I use it every day. They also have the lengthening if you're into trying to make your lashes look longer. But if you use these healthy products and take care of your eyes daily, your eyelashes are going to grow because they're healthy. They'll stop being brittle and breaking off. So those false lashes, the glue on them is breaking down your own eyelashes and making them brittle and shorter.
There you go, just a few swipes.
Wonderful. What do you think? So all ready for date night. 3 quick products from Beautycounter, the Starlight eyeshadow palette. Then we use the color outline eye pencil and the volumizing mascara. Again, if you want to check out the blog, it's www.pamterrio.com/blog/47. And don't forget, if we take care of our eyes today, then our vision will last us a lifetime. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.